Want to transfer everything from one Apple Watch to another? You can do it without losing any data. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer all data from your old Apple Watch to a new one. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, grab your iPhone. Open up the Watch app. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Here you will find your current watch that paired with. If you want to unpair it, then tap on the info icon next to it. Scroll down to the bottom. Now you can unpair. If you don't want, then you can avoid. Go back. Tap Add Watch. Next, tap Setup for myself. Now you can scan your Apple Watch using your iPhone camera. Or you can pair watch manually by tapping it from here. Here, your Apple Watch name and model will be shown. Tap on it. Now enter the 6-digit code that is displayed on the Apple Watch. After that, your Apple Watch will be paired. Then tap on Restore from Backup. Now select the old watch. And then tap Continue. Now tap Agree. Here, it will ask you to add a passcode. If you don't want to set a passcode, then tap Don't Add Passcode. Again, tap Don't Use Passcode. Now, complete the prompts until you see the page called Apple Watch is syncing. And then, there you have it. Welcome to your new Apple Watch. Tap Done. And that's it. This is how you can transfer all data from your old Apple Watch to a new one. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.